Kelsey with Two Structures Homes, and today I am in Hampton Heights and I want to take you through our Walker floor plan. Here's the front of the Walker floor plan. It is on a corner lot here in Hampton Heights on Nantucket and 176th Street. Now this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage floor plan. The exterior of this is James Hardie siding, as is all of our exterior sidings, and I have it painted in like a cream siding color with a navy blue trim and garage door and front door color. The view from the front porch is a little messy. It's kind of windy today, so we've gotten some debris that's blowing around. But you can see, which I wanted to show you, you can see that the neighborhood playground is just right across the way, so you could watch the kiddos playing from your front porch. Now that we've seen the outside, let's go check out the inside of this house. Before I show you around, I just want you to know that it does need its final clean, so you'll see some dust and a little bit of debris here and there, but it's practically finished, and so just keep in mind that it will be cleaned, it will be perfectly spotless in no time at all. But I am in the neighborhood and I want to show you this home, so I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. So this is the view from the front entry. To the left here we have a coat closet with your extra paints in it, and that is a water shutoff valve, which is conveniently inside the home if anything were to happen. Then to the right is the front bedroom, so let's go check that out real quick. Now this could be used as a study or a bedroom, so this is bedroom 4, but it has some amazing light. This is north facing. You have some great windows there, and then you have your egress window here. You got your neighbors out for a little walk-in closet. Really great room. Then here is your living space. Has the 2 windows here. A great spot for a TV would be on that wall or even on this wall, depending on how your furniture lays out. We have a ceiling fan in here. And then in this house, we did mix gold and brushed nickel. So we have some mixed metals in here, which is a good fresh look. And we have a dining room over here. And let's check out that light fixture because I am really loving that one. Here's your dining room. We have 2 windows overlooking your side yard. And then this yard is fully fenced already. So you can see your back patio, backyard there. And then that light fixture is so cool. It's like some rope and gold. I really like that. Turned out good. And then we do have wood look tile. I forgot to mention it's like a lighter color. I've been seeing design videos saying stay away from the grays, so I think this is more beige. Let's go check out the backyard. Again, it is a little windy, so I'm sorry for some of the debris that's flying around. It is Oklahoma, so that's gonna happen. Covered back patio is really nice size for, a grill or some patio furniture. We have the gate right here. Let's check out the rest of the yard. Pretty good size if you have animals. It's a little space for them to come out to. Ooh, sorry, that was loud. Now we're gonna go right over here to the primary bedroom, and you can see that we did these arches over these openings, which you can see it echoes over here, which is a great look. We have a little alcove over here to the primary bedroom. We did carpet in here. We have a ceiling fan, and that window overlooks the backyard. That is a south-facing window. And over here is your primary suite, which I think you're gonna love. To the right is the water closet. So my camera's not turning, there we go. And then to the left is a really good size walk-in closet in here. We have double hanging, some long hanging, and then shoe boxes or sweater boxes. These little black sticky tapes has helped the installers put the mirrors up. Those will be cleaned off at the final clean. But we have double vanities So each individual gets their own. And then you have the mirrors that just continue on so you can see the back of the outfit. Next is what I think really sells this floor plan for most people, and that is the shower. It is a wet room, which you're not gonna find at a price point like this, I don't think. We have the freestanding tub, which is gorgeous. We have pebble, it's like a black pebble floor in here. And then we have the valve there, so you just have to reach in easily. You don't have to worry about getting sprayed. And then a nice shower head. And that vent does vent to the exterior. So that's the primary bathroom bedroom area. So let's go check out the secondary bedrooms next. Look, don't look, don't look. We'll look at that later. Look, don't look, don't look. So this wing of the home is the secondary bedrooms and utility rooms. So they have their own separate hallway, which is nice. Over here to the left is bedroom number 2, 3. It has a good size walk-in closet in here. Oh, I forgot to turn on the light. There it is. Okay. Then here you got your utility room, which is a really good size. You have a really big cabinet here, some folding cabinets, some storage underneath and above, hanging shelves and rods. And then, oh, this tile is really cute. It's got like a light blue and beige pattern to it. In this secondary hallway, you have some added storage and soft clothes, as you'll notice. Here, you got your hall bathroom, secondary bathroom. And that vent you hear is going out to the exterior of the house. You got a gold fixture on that. Then back here is your 4th bedroom. Good sized bedroom for this price point. You got an LED light fixture. These bedrooms are wired for a ceiling fan if that's something you wanted to add later. It's easy to do. I know a lot of people who just do it themselves, so you could do that. So that is your 4th bedroom. Okay, now let's go check out the kitchen. I really love this kitchen. It has so many cabinets. You're gonna be amazed. So many storage possibilities in here. We got the stainless steel Frigidaire appliances. We got a stainless steel sink here, and then we upgraded to the luxury stainless steel pull-out or industrial style faucet. Oh. So first of all, I like having this little landing off the garage. It's a good space or opportunity to put like a little rack there for coats and bags. Then in here is your garage. We have your tankless water heater there, your Wi-Fi capable garage door opener, and then you got your storm shelter cutout. Why do we need this? Check out my videos talking about post-tension foundation and you'll find out. And we have your electrical box. And since the attic is open, let's go check that out. Okay, so here is your attic, and I want to just show you this because we have your blown-in insulation here. We also have your radiant decking. So if you'll notice, this decking material has a foil on it that reflects the sun rays, which keeps the interior of your attic and your home at a much comfortable temperature, which in turn means that you're gonna have lower utility costs, which saves you money. So if you're looking for a builder or a home that has a good total cost of ownership, this is the builder, the home for you, because those utility bills are going to be much less than most other new homes or, obviously existing used homes. Has a good total cost of ownership. this is the builder of the home for you, because those utility bills are going to be much less than most other new homes, or, you know, obviously existing used homes. Another thing I want to show you while we're up here is these boards here. Those are called damming, and we put that up to help keep the insulation on this side of the dam, which is above air-conditioned space below in the home. We use this to keep this from spilling out over onto unconditioned space. So you'll notice that this is going to be the wall of the interior of the home. So yeah, we have some blown over, but I bet you that's from when they were installing the blow-in. So this is going to stay the thickness it needs to stay to keep the home insulated properly. So you'll see we have it over here as well. You're going to see it anywhere where insulation, you don't want insulation to be. So over here, you'll see the damming continues over there. So there's a little bit over here, which is fine, but it's going to keep it from spilling out over from the air-conditioned space, which is important. Then you got your furnace up here, which just shut off. So I'm sure you can hear me a little bit better. So yeah, that's the attic. Okay, friends, so that wraps up our tour of this Walker floor plan. So to recap, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage floor plan. This home is currently, at the time of this recording, it is for sale, and it is priced at about $331,000 in Edmond. And so you could check that out. I'm gonna have the link to this house below if you want to go see it. But if you're interested in building this house, you can check out our website, www.twostructureshomes.com, and go to the Walker floor plan. It's a great base floor plan. You have a great wide open living room, and we bumped out this exterior wall before to add more square footage in here. There's just a lot of things you can do to it. So if you want to learn more about this particular home that is for sale, or about building the Walker floor plan, please give us a call. Our information is in the information description below. So we'd love to hear from you. And if you like this home, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much.
Hi, please like, tag, share, and follow. And most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.